Welcome students in my channel Mathematics Adda. Students, today I am going to start the syllabus of class 11th chapter set theory. A very important chapter students. This is the first chapter of class 11. Students, today in this lectures I am going to discuss about introduction of sets, representation of sets, inside the representation in roster form, in set builder form, and conversion of sets. There are two types of the conversion, from roster to set builder and from set builder to roster. Fourth topic, types of sets. Inside the types of set students, I will tell you about the empty sets and non-empty sets. Under the non-empty sets students, I will introduce to these type of the sets like singleton sets, finite sets and infinite sets, equal sets and equivalent sets. Students, to know about all these topics, try to understand one by one to every topic clearly. I am going to make understand to all of you by introducing the sets clearly. Try to understand students. Now the first topic students, this is intro of sets. The very important things students here, intro of sets. What is set? The big question arises in front of every students. What is set? Telling you students, definition of set. It is a well defined collection of objects. This is the definition of the set. Students, try to understand the meaning of this. It is a well defined. What is the meaning of well defined? Means about which we are knowing very well. Collection, that means group, that means set of objects of particular kind. For example students, set of vowels of English alphabet. Well students, see here, set of vowels of English alphabet. Students, all of you are too much familiar by the vowels of English alphabet. What are these vowels? These are A, E, I, O, U. Students, these are the vowels of English alphabet. We have to write down the set of these vowels. So remember students, in general, set is always denoted by symbol capital S. Capital S stands for set. What is set here? This S equal to S stands for set, which is here this. S equal to, inside the braces or curly bracket, it could be A, E, I, O, U. Students, to write down a set, always remember the following things I am telling you. Point number first, symbol of sets is always written in capital letter. Like S, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, etc. So first thing students, symbol of set is always written in capital letter of English alphabet, while the second thing students, element or entries inside the set is always written in small letter or small numeric, like A, X, E, etc. The third point students, I am telling you, all the entries which is called elements always written inside the braces. This is braces, or you may say curly bracket, and all the elements or entries are separated by each other by using comma. Every entries inside the set is known as an element. These 4 or 5 things, students, one may have to remember always whenever you are going to write down the set. Okay, students. Now, keeping this thing in the mind, you have to know some more things. See, what are these, students? Just telling. Very important points. Whenever you are going to write down the set, repetition of the elements or entries are not allowed. That means if someone is writing a set like 1 2 3 2 1 2 3, this is wrong. This is the wrong way of representing the set. What is the right way as per the rules? Remember, repetition of the element are not allowed. So, whenever we are writing a set, we will write to a entry only one time, and one thing, no element must be left. Whatever the elements are involved, they must be there, but their presence must be only one times. So what will be the right way of writing to this set? The correct way, yes, can be, here are 3 types of the entries, 1 2 and 3. So what you will get here? 1 2 3. If someone is writing the same set in this way, 3 2 1, are both sets same? Your answer will be yes, both sets will be same. One thing, students, I want to tell you, at the time of writing to a set, order does not matter. Order does not matter. Means, if one student is writing in this way 1 2 3, another one is writing 3 2 1, and another student is writing in this way 2 1 3, all are correct. Means, now the following things must be care whenever we are going to write down a set. What are these things, student? Just I am recalling once again, all of you try to understand. Following 6 things to be care. Point number 1, symbol of set is always written in capital letter of English alphabet. Second point, student, symbol of set is always written in capital letter of English alphabet. Second point, entries are elements always written in small letter of English alphabet. Third point, every entries or element will be separated to each other by using comma. Every element or you may say entries will be separated by each other using comma. The fourth point, student, every elements or entries will be written inside the curly bracket, that is all entries will be written inside the braces or curly brackets. Fifth point, students, repetition of the elements is not allowed. Repetition of the element or entries is not allowed. 6th point, ordered is immaterial. That is, ordered does not matter. So whenever students you are going to write down assets, always remember the following 6 things. Symbol of set is always written in capital letter. Entries are element written in small letter. Every element will be separated by other by using comma. All entries will be written inside the braces or curly bracket. Repetition of the element is not allowed. Ordered is immaterial. Okay students, keeping these 6 points in the minds, we have to write down a set. Okay students, now just after it, I am going to tell you about representation of set. Know about the representation of set, students. Second point, students, I am going to tell you about the representation of sets. Students, always remember, a set can be represented by 2 ways. The first way is roster form. Second one is set builder form. Sometimes it is known as formula method. What is the difference between both? Student, telling easily, try to understand. Roster form. In roster form, we always write the list of elements. Here, we always write the list of element or entries. List of elements. It can be finite or infinite. In the finite we can count the element, in the infinite we cannot count the element. Okay, while students in set builder form we always write a formula which is here capital S. This S equal to X such that X is A oblique N, whatever it will use. Here you have to write a mathematical statement. What to write, student? Mathematical statement. Well students, now this is read as here X such that X. This is read as X such that X is A or N, whatever it will use, and here you have to write down the mathematical statement. Students, now try to understand these two things with the help of an example. I am going to tell you. Sooner you will be able to know these two form of representation of sets. See it. Here students, always keep these two things in the mind. This symbol inside the set, this symbol stands for belongs to. This symbol stands for belongs to. Second thing, this symbol stands for does not belongs to. Third point, student, this symbol stands for every. It is just looking like opposite of A. This symbol stands for every. The fourth point, students, here, this stands for such that, and this fifth one, the symbol opposite of E stands for there exist. Whenever you are going to write or represent a set, students, these 5 points to be care always, very important, time to time we will use. Here students, I am writing a set of even numbers. See, this is one question in front of you, students. Set of even numbers. Now students, here it has been given set of even numbers. We would like to write down this set in the form of roster and in set builder. Try to understand, student, how to write. Well students, see, in general, whenever you are writing set of even number, it will start from 2, this is 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Because how many even numbers are there, nobody knows, but we can write them. So here in roster form, what the set will be, this becomes 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Always students, whenever you are writing, remember always you have to make 3 dot only, only 3 dot you have to make. Students, here this is an infinite set. Why? Because we cannot count how many even numbers are there, students, but here we have provided list of element. So I have told you what is roster form. Roster form, in roster form we always write the list of element, while in set builder form we always write a formula to represent the list of the element present in roster form. So now in set builder form, what it could be, student? Telling you, in set builder form, see, I have told you the formula in set builder form, like S X such that X is A oblique N, and here to write down mathematical statement. Okay students, so keeping this thing in the mind, if you look it clearly, what we can write to the same set, S equal to, here we will write X such that X equal to, if you look clearly students, here this 2 can be understand as 2 into 1, this is 2 into 2, this is 2 into 3, this is 2 into 4. Students, if you look it clearly, here this is constant 2, 2, 2. This is constant series, while this is varying series 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So this is constant series, while the second set of the numbers represent to the varying series. So student, it can be written in the form of x equal to 2, and to the constant series we will write as it is, and to the varying series we will write here n, where n can take the values from 1 to onwards. So x such that x equal to 2n, where n belong to the field of natural number. Students, you are too much familiar by the word natural numbers. So here you are looking that we have write the set in set builder form by a formula x such that x equal to 2n, where n is a natural number. Well students, if you put one by values of n, you will get this set which is present in roster form. Okay students, to know and understand this representation of sets clearly, you must have to keep the series in your mind. What the series telling you students? Try to understand. See students, here series, always keep this in your mind. Series, in general student, there are two type of the series. This is constant series and another one is the varying series. The constant series, like it is k, so on. And here varying series students, 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay, well students, now this varying series can run up to n, while the constant series it will be as it is. So in case of constant series like this one, k, you have to write at last k. In case of varying series, you have to write 1, 2, 3, so on up to n. So at last you have to write n, where n belong to the field of natural numbers. Okay students, now you can take one example. Convert the set yes, which is 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, so on, into set builder form. See student, how to write? Here list of element is given, so we have to convert it into set builder form. See student, try to understand clearly. I am telling you here, if you check to the numerator, it is a varying series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to which place it can run up? N. And here this is starting from 2 and it is starting from 1. So up to n, this is starting from 2, just after one more. So what we can write it? To the 2 we can note down 1 plus 1, this is 2 plus 1, this is 3 plus 1, this is 4 plus 1, this is 5 plus 1. So what will be at last student? See here it is a varying series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So up to which place it will run? N. And this is constant series student. So as it is, we will write here n plus 1, where n belongs to the natural number. Keeping this thing in the mind students, what we can write down? Solution. Yes, in set builder form, it could be here students, x such that x is equal to n upon n plus 1, where n belong to the field of natural number, and this is an infinite set. Okay students, now suppose I am giving you one more example where we can count the number of elements. See here, let x be a set which is 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, this is, student, this one is a finite set. Here we can count the number of elements. How many these are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is in roster form. And students, we would like to write down it into set builder form. So how we will write in what it can be, try to understand. Here it is in roster form and we would like to write down in set builder form. See what we can note down, students. Here try to understand this x, it can be x such that x equal to what the things will come, students. Look, here 1 can be treated as, this is 1 upon 1. This numerator, it is a constant series. So constant series, it will be as it is. So in the numerator what we will write, it is 1, and in the denominator, students, it is by line series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what will be here? We will write n, where n belong to the field of natural number. And one thing, students, here this is a finite set and n is taking the values from 1 to 5. So we have to write down its range also. And n is what? It is less than or equal to 5. Meaning to say, n can take the values from 1 to 5. Okay? Well, students, now see some more examples based on this. And students, I want to tell you just now in this lecture what the things I have described. Try to understand, students. So in this lecture, students, I have described you today introduction of sets in details. Then after I have told you about the representation of sets. In the representation of sets, students, I have told you that set can be represented two types, in roster form and in set builder form. In roster form, students, you can write down the list of element, or you have to represent the list of element. In set builder form, always you have to write a formula to represent the list of element present in roster form. And then after, students, I have told you 2 to 3 examples related to the conversion of sets. There I have described that how we can convert from roster to set builder and from set builder to roster. Students, see one more example. Here I am giving you the set which is in set builder form and you have to write in roster form. So here x such that x equal to 2n minus 1, where n belong to the field of whole numbers. So students, what we will write it into roster form. In roster form, we have to write down the list of element. Here n can take the values from 0 to onwards according to this field. So what you can note down in roster form, it could be, student, here as you will put n equal to 0, it could be minus 1. At n equal to 1, it could be 1. At n equal to 2, it could be 3, and dot so on. So what we will get, students, here the first element minus 1, here it is 1, next it is 3, and dot so on. Students, here you are looking, if set builder form is given, we can convert it into roster form. Okay, students, next example, convert A, which is here x such that x equal to n cube, where n belong to the field of natural number and n can take the values from 1 to 5, including 1 and 5. So in set builder form, it can be students, it can be here as we will take 1, we will get 1 cube, here we will get 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. That is, you may note down student here 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. Students, here you have seen many examples to understand the conversion of sets, representation of sets, and also I have described clearly to the introduction of sets. Well students, now to know the more knowledge inside the set theory for the topics, types of sets and its subtypes under non-empty sets along with the equal and equivalent sets, you have to wait for my next lecture. To get the next lecture easily, you have to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.